Hello guys, and welcome to this very quick and easy tutorial for removing the add to cart option from your Shopify 2.0 Dawn theme store. This will work with any Shopify 2.0 themes. Basically, what we're going to be doing in this video is removing this add to cart option. This is perfect for stores that don't really need this, so like a one product store or whatever it might be. So instead, what we're going to do is just have this buy it now option, so they can still choose what they want, okay? They can still change the variants, whatever it might be, and you can still have the stock options, etc., etc. But instead of having the add to cart, it'll just be this perfect little buy it now button, which is already an option on Dawn. And if it's not an option on your Shopify 2.0 theme or your Shopify theme, then definitely have a look at switching over to Dawn, because I think it's the best option. So let's just quickly exit out of here so we can start from the beginning. This is the page that we want them to be taken to as soon as they say, I want this product. They just click buy it now and they're instantly on this page instead of having the cart. So I have the latest version of Dawn 7.01. So this is the most up-to-date video you'll find on YouTube. Press edit code like this, type in main product.liquid like that. Okay, I'm not going to give you specific line numbers. I'm going to show you how to find what you need. So do a Control F search and type in cart. As you can see, it says add to cart form here. And all I'm going to be doing is removing this button like that. So that was about 7 lines of code. And then I'm going to hit save. Make sure that you're removing the closing tag as well. And then if we go back here and we click refresh, you didn't even have to click refresh, you can see now that there is just a buy it now button and there is no cart. So another thing here is that there is a cart here. I believe this is a front end Shopify change. So if I go on something like, I'll just find it quickly. Okay, it seems to actually be a back end change. So what you're gonna have to do is type in header on the code editor on Dawn. So let me just exit, let me start this again. So click edit code here, type in header here, click on header.liquid, press Control F and look for cart, and then you're gonna have to press enter a lot of times, okay? And what you're looking for is when it says ahref. So it should be around here, let's have a look. Keep going, keep going. Oh, I went all the way through. Okay, there it is there. So ahref, where it says ahref, just highlight that. You can copy it just in case you make a mistake, delete it, and then press save. I can't press save because I already made this change. And now when I press refresh, you can see that the cart is basically gone from our store. And now people can just instantly click on buy it now instead of going through the cart process. Thanks for watching, guys. Plenty more Dawn tutorials on my channel. Subscribe for more, and peace out.